Hey, Sianevsky with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play this song, Tell Your Heart to Beat Again. It's such a beautiful song if you want to like uplift someone. And the introduction looks like this. You go into the verse. So to explain the introduction clearly, what you're doing with your left hand is you're playing the D minor chord, so you can do the first three notes, or you could kind of do like the 1 and 5. So either way, I like to do it randomly. Sometimes I like to do 1, 5, and sometimes I like to do that religious 3, like. And then with your, so again, that's D minor, B flat, or A sharp, whatever you want to call it, and then you have your F, and then C. And then with your right hand, this is where you do most of the work. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to lay your hand on this B flat key, okay? And you're going to be playing F, C, and B flat. So again, without the left hand, you're going to be doing, so playing F, C, B flat, C. But you're going to play it really quick. So what's happening here is you have this like motion, and what I call this is the flowy style, because you're sort of flowing. It's kind of flowing. It's in musical terms, it's called arpeggio. I have a lesson on this that gives you like these practice sessions to like get your hand moving in that way. But what you essentially you're doing is with your left hand, you're going forward. And then with your right hand, you're sort of going backwards. It creates such a beautiful sound. So a quick thing, with the D minor, I actually might touch on this first here. 1, 3, 5, 1. I might do that. So my hands are kind of gonna overlap. And same with the B flat. I'm gonna hit on that 1 here with my left hand. With the F, I'm also gonna do 1, 3, 5, 1. And then C. Whoops. Again. Whoops. And you go to that next part of the intro. So I just wanted to make sure you get that first part. Once you really like see the way it is, it becomes kind of easier. So just kind of let it flow, relax your hands a little bit, and you'll get it. So after this first part of that introduction, you're going to go into this high part here. And what you're going to be playing with your right hand are these notes. So you got your F, ooh, there's an on the keyboard. Okay, so you got your F, E, D. So F, F, E, D, 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 C, A, F, G. So you kind of have this like whole octave that you're sort of running down. So just white keys, you're not going to be playing the B flat here. Anyway, so with that said, you're going to be playing that as you were playing that same thing with your left hand. So okay, so let's see that again. So another thing, you know, you could either do it kind of fast with your left hand, kind of fast, or you can do the really slow, just 1, 3, 5. So in other words, you have two options to do 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1, or you could do 1, 2, 3. So you could do 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, if that makes it easier for you, or you could do 1, 3, 5, 1. So. Or just 1, 2, 3. I know I'm spending a lot of time in the introduction, but honestly, it's kind of hard, so I feel like I have to. So I'm going to do the entire thing right now, so. You're shattered like you've never been before. You go into the verse. So that is it for the introduction. Going into verse 1, you have your D minor, and you can play the regular D minor, or you can play an inverted D minor. I also have a lesson on inverted chords, and it's just changed people's lives, because when you play inverted chords, you have to move your hand a little less and play with your eyes closed. It's a really cool skill to have. But anyway, you got that D minor, and then you have your B flat or A sharp, whatever you want to call it. Then you have a regular F chord, and then C, and that basically repeats. So verse 1 is very simple and quiet. So you're shattered, D minor, and then B flat like you've never been before, F, going to C. The life you knew, D minor, going to B flat or A sharp, and 1,000 pieces on the floor. Words fall short, D minor. Times like these, B flat or A sharp. This world drives, F, you to your knees. You think you're never gonna get back. So instead of going to that D minor and to the A flat again, A sharp, and then to the F, you go straight into the A sharp. Never gonna get back to the you they used to be. So I kind of like how they add that 7. So you they used to be. Tell you, and then they go into the chorus. So again, verse, super simple. You got those chords, and then you end it off with the A sharp or B flat, whatever you like to call this chord, and then you kind of hit on that 7th note, and then you go into the chorus. Tell your heart to beat again. And so now going into the chorus. So I hope you got everything for the verse. The chorus chords are F, so you can either decide to play these notes, or you can kind of just play chords. Tell your heart to beat again. You have a C after the F, and then you have a D minor. Breathe it in, let the shadow fall away. B flat or A sharp. Light of grace, C. Yesterday's closing door. D minor. You don't live there anymore. A sharp. Say goodbye to where you've been. Back to A sharp. Tell your heart to beat again. You end it off with a F. Another version is to end it off with the D minor and go straight into the introduction melody again. So anyway, just to explain the chorus a little bit. So you could do the regular chords, or you can also add in this inverted F. So here's the regular F chord, and then there's this is an inverted F chord, and you can play it as a flowy style or arpeggio like this. And just kind of loop it into the entire chorus. So tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and you can tell that when I start singing, it starts messing up with the rhythm of this melody. So definitely if you're singing and you just want to keep it really simple and easy, just play the chords. If you're playing for someone else, just definitely makes it really pretty. Anyway, so you can choose to play just chords or play that throughout. Anyway, when ending the chorus, you can end it with a D minor. Tell your heart to beat again. Sorry, let me do that right. You've been, tell your heart to beat again. So the verse is the same exact chords that you saw at the beginning, except you're pressing them a little harder. Okay, we're gonna start building up just a little bit. And then when you finish off that verse, you go into the chorus a lot more stronger too. Stories far from over, and your journey's just begun. Tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and breathe. Again, feel free to play this or not, okay? Or you can do it higher here. Tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and breathe in. Let the shadow keep playing. What I would suggest though, if you're just doing piano and you're starting to play the high keys, make sure you're balancing it out really well with the left hand and inserting a lot of bass as well. So tell your heart to beat again. If you have to just not focus on the left hand, just press on that one key, at least you're gonna have that bass to balance out with. That's what I would suggest. But if you're more advanced and you could do the flowy style with both hands, like definitely do the flowy style. All right, so then you go straight into the bridge, which has a C, heartbreak and every scar, D minor. And then you have your A sharp or B flat. Be a picture that reminds you who had carried you this far. And you have that F. Not sure when it switches, so. Picture that reminds you who has carried you this far. 'Cause love's his further. C. D minor. And you have your A sharp. In this moment, heaven's working everything for your good. Tell your heart to beat again. Close your eyes and breathe it in. So again, after that bridge, it goes straight into the chorus, and you have this light playing. And you sing through that chorus, and then you kind of repeat. You've been, tell your heart to beat again. Heart to beat again. And you can kind of customize it with looping these chords, same chords as the introduction, right? So D minor. Kind of repeat them at the ending, and you can kind of end the song any way you want. Anyway, that's it for the tutorial. Stay tuned. I'm going to be releasing the cover in a couple of days so that we can kind of play the song together, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.